Many people find the sea to be beautiful and captivating for a variety of reasons. One reason could be its sheer size and power. The sea is vast and seemingly endless, and its waves and currents can be both calming and exhilarating. The sound of the waves crashing against the shore can also be soothing and meditative. The sea is also home to a diverse array of life forms, from tiny plankton to massive whales, which can make it a fascinating place to explore and discover new things. Additionally, the sea is often associated with relaxation and escape. Being near the water can help people feel more calm and at peace, and the beach is a popular destination for vacations and getaways. Ultimately, there are many reasons why people love the sea, and your own personal reasons may be unique to you. Whatever the reason, it's clear that the sea holds a special place in many people's hearts and minds. I often go for a walk to the beach. I would like to invite you for a walk with me. After a storm, a very beautiful and unusual jellyfish washed up on the shore. Look at its vibrant color. This jellyfish is bright blue. The edge of its cap looks like it's circled in purple. There are many shells on the shore. These shells make a pleasant sound when stepped on. I love this sound.